Sometimes you want to backup or copy certain folders, but not all of them. So, for example, I have my work or my projects folder here, and sometimes I would like to backup not all of them, but a selection. So I can do it either by selecting temporarily or selecting by a file that contains a list. So let's select some of the folders, not all of them, just these. And I can use the mark save selection. So if I enter and go out, you see that that selection was deleted. If I go back to mark and restore selection, the same folders are selected. But what if I want to use the same list of folders more than once or days later? Then I select them. Let's just select these and go to mark and save selection to file. It will try to select it in the same folder. So let's name the file cell and let's see it. Cell. Here it is. Control Q to see it, and here is the list of the files. So if I want to reselect those, go to mark, load selection from file, and select the select text. And then you see it remarked the files.